Today we're gonna make this flavorful dish, chicken Milanese. To get started on making our chicken Milanese, first we're gonna start with 4 pieces of chicken breast. So I have chicken breast here that I have pounded out, dried it, it's all ready to go, nice and thin. So now we have to get all of our ingredients ready to bread it. So we're gonna first start with, our first bowl is flour. So we have a cup of flour, put that here. Our next bowl is gonna be the egg wash. Okay, so we're gonna beat the eggs here. Perfect, and then last is our breadcrumbs. So for breadcrumbs, we have a cup of breadcrumbs. We're gonna add to that 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're ready to get our chicken ready to fry it up. So we have our chicken breast, first in our flour. Okay. Next in our egg wash. And last in our breadcrumbs. This is one of my favorite recipes. Go-to, healthy, easy. My kids don't love the salad on top, but it is my favorite. So it is a fan favorite in our house. Here we go. So chicken ready. Right, so now our chicken is ready. We're gonna go to the stove to fry it up. So we're gonna heat up some olive oil. You want your chicken nice and thin so it'll be easy to fry them up. Okay. Now that our chicken is ready, we are gonna make our salad. So we have 3 cups of arugula, we have a cup of cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, and we're gonna toss that in dressing. So we're gonna do olive oil and lemon dressing, really light, refreshing salad. Goes perfectly with this chicken. Add salt and pepper to this. Put this on our salad. We're gonna toss that together. Perfect. Now we're gonna plate our dish here. So we're gonna use this wood board because this one's really pretty on a nice big platter. So we're gonna do our chicken down, platter. Now we're gonna cover the top of that with our salad. So pretty. Perfect. And we're gonna top that with some shaved Parmesan that I have here. Look at this, amazing. We're gonna serve it with some lemon rounds. And this dish is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.